या वी आर लाइव। वेलकम टू शो बॉक्स। दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक पे डिस्कशन होने वाला है और सबसे बड़ी समस्या बच्चे लोगों की खाने की है कि बच्चे को क्या खिलाना। और पेरेंट्स के लिए तो खास करके है कि उनके लिए रोज रोज कुछ नया नया बनाना, नया नया खिलाना। और वो लोग परेशान हो जाते हैं कि उनको वही चीज़ डिफरेंट पैकिंग करके कैसे दे तो बच्चा खाए और हेल्दी रहे। तो दोस्तों, हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए। और हम आज सोपबॉक्स टॉक्स में आपके साथ में एक ऐसे विशेषज्ञ को लाए हैं जो क्वालिफाइड न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट है और डाइटिशियन है और बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं। इन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा नॉलेज प्राप्त किया हुआ है और एक्सपीरियंस इतना है उनको कि आप अपने बच्चे को अगर आज की टिप्स का आज का प्रोग्राम अटेंड करेंगे और उनके साथ में उनकी जो एडवाइस है वो फॉलो करेंगे तो मैं ज़रूर ये चाहता हूँ कि और आशा भी रखता हूँ कि आपके बच्चे बहुत अच्छी तरह खाने लगेंगे, टाइम पे सो जाएंगे और हेल्दी भी रहेंगे। तो आपको आगे समय ज़्यादा नहीं लूँगा मैं अभी आपका। और ख्याति मैडम जो हमारे है, ख्याति मेहता, उनको को होस्ट हमारे है, उनको बोलता हूँ कि आज के स्पीकर तोरल शाह न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट डाइटिशियन को इंट्रोड्यूस करें।
Thank you, Bharat Bhai. So, hello friends, myself Khyati Mehta. I welcome all of you on the 15th episode of Soapbox Talks. It is a brainchild of RCA Bharat Desai. He is a founder of Soapbox Talks. Bharat Bhai is not just a financial advisor, but also business coach, trainer, counselor, and a social worker. With love and affection, we also call him भरत गुरु। अभी फेस्टिवल का माहौल है और बहुत अच्छी अच्छी वानगी हम सब बना के खा रहे हैं। वी आर ईटिंग सच a scrumptious delicious food, but have we ever questioned ourselves that are we eating right, are we eating good, are our children eating good? ये सारे क्वेश्चन कभी आए हैं कि जो ट्रेडिशन था उसे हम सिर्फ आंख बंद करके फॉलो कर रहे हैं? अगर पहले नहीं क्वेश्चन हुआ है तो अभी कीजिए, क्योंकि we are inviting dietitian Toral Shah to our prestigious platform of Soapbox Talk. She is a qualified dietitian and nutritionist. She has done exhaustive research on all about food that can nurture or harm our body. Nonetheless, her expert tips can be found written in her own set of books with the name Kids Food Planet. It is like a set of 4 books, and her belief that a child can be trained to eat good food from early age has now become her mission. So please note, do stay tuned to this entire conversation, because by the end of this conversation, dietitian Toral is going to unlock some 10-digit number, which is going to bring magic in our lives and in our children's lives. So, Toral ji, the platform is all yours.
Hello, good evening, all lovely friends. Am I audible now? Yeah. I'm thankful for CA Bharat Bhai. So, how you said Khyati Bharat Guru. I'm very much thankful and gratitude for him that he has given me this platform where I can, share my knowledge, and I will be very happy if some of you can, really implement this in their practical day-to-day life. Thank you, Khyati, for giving my lovely introduction. So, friends, I will not take your more time, and we will begin with the small food prayer and my little bit of experience with food, how I started my journey with food, and how I end up being a dietitian. So, it will just comprise in this small shlok and the meaning, and a small story also I'm going to share with you. So, Khyati, can you please start the slides? Yeah, this is a food prayer which I have learned when I was small at around 5 years. This is Harir Data, Harir Bhokta, Harir Annam Prajapati, Harir Vipro Sharir Astu, Bhokte Bhojan Te Hari. That means Hari, the Lord, is all in the being. He is in us. He is the giver. He is the enjoyer and the food itself. It is the Lord. जो भगवान अपने अन्न में है, जो अपने खाने में है, जो अपने शरीर में है, अगर उनको हम लोग जो भोजन देते हैं उसमें हम लोग को 3 चीज की शुद्धि करनी बहुत जरूरी है, जैसे कि पदार्थ शुद्धि, पात्र शुद्धि एंड पाक शुद्धि. Padar Suddhi means the food which we are using, it has to be clean, come from Mother Earth, nature Earth, and not from the man-made factory. Second thing, the food cooking must be physically, the cook who is cooking, it should be physically and mentally healthy and like free of stress. Third thing, the patra, जो हम लोग खाना खाते हैं, जो पात्र में खाना खाते हैं वह शुद्ध होना चाहिए. Cleanliness is given importance. So this, why I'm sharing this now, after I knew one story, and after that story I came to this shlok. So the story behind is that we all know the मीराबाई. जो मीराबाई हम लोग सब लोग को पता है, और मीराबाई है, उन्होंने वो कृष्ण की बहुत अच्छी भक्त थी, पर उनके जो हस्बैंड थे, जो किंग महाराणा, he want to get rid of the madness of Krishna behind for Mirabai. So what he decided that one day along with his sister he poisoned the milk. उन्होंने दूध में जहर डाल दिया और वो मीराबाई पीने वाली थी. पर मीराबाई की एक आदत थी, जो भी वो खाना पीना लेगी उसके पहले वो भगवान को धरेगी. तो उस दिन उन्होंने वैसे ही किया, जैसे दूध वो देने वाली थी तो वहां पे कृष्ण भगवान की जो सफेद मूर्ति थी वो ब्लू कलर की हो गई, नीले रंग की हो गई. And later on it becomes the milk which was poisonous, it has become now good, like a nectar. So she drank the milk, and that way she came to know about it कि जो भगवान को हम लोग भोजन धरते हैं वो अपना डिवाइन हो जाता है. The name of God can convert any poison into nectar, but I would like to emphasize here that any poison means that you cannot eat throughout all the junk food and you think it will become a nectar for your body. So I'm sorry, this will not happen. तो ये है जो भगवान ने खाना बनाया है उसके बारे में है. So it is for the healthy food I'm talking about. Now why we have to recite this, because आज के ज़माने में हम लोग बहुत स्ट्रेस में रहते हैं. जो मम्मी खाना बनाती है या जो कुक बनाते हैं या हम लोग बाहर से ऑर्डर करते हैं या पार्सल आता है, जो भी आता है, तो फूड इज कमिंग फ्रॉम अ लॉन्ग जर्नी टू ऑन आवर प्लेट. तो वो सब में सब लोग का मेंटल जो स्टेट रहता है वो सब उसके अंदर ऑलरेडी ऐड हो चुका है. यानी इतना स्ट्रेस हम लोग खाएंगे तो न्यूट्रिशन के बाद वो स्ट्रेस भी अपने अंदर जाता है. So that is why this prayer is very important, which my Nani has taught me कि you have to say that, so that whatever good vibrations you can give to the food and remove this all unhealthy vibrations which we don't want in our day to day life. That is why. और आज के ज़माने में मैंने देखा है कि कोई नहीं कर रहा है. तो this is the main thing. पेरेंट्स जो भी अपने धर्म का प्रेयर होता है वो आप बोलिए. अगर जैन है तो नवकार मंत्र बोलते हैं, या ये हरिर दाता, या तो Brahmarpanam, that is also a food prayer. Please say this prayer for at least 30 seconds to make your food little bit like a nectar. Now, with this food, with this story, my journey begins with the food. Like मैं जब 5 साल की थी तभी से मुझे हम लोग के घर में आदत दिलवाया था कि I have to cook food, like washing, दाल चावल धोना है, कुकर लगाना है, आटा गूंदना है. तो ये सब काम मैं बचपन से करती हूँ. सो आई एम वेरी मच एक्वेंटेड टू फूड फ्रॉम द चाइल्डहुड. नाउ दिस हैज गिवन मी अ फर्दर क्रिएटिविटी कि अगर घर पे कुछ खाना बचता है तो हम लोग फेंकते नहीं हैं. जैसे कि कभी एक बार उपमा बनाया था, वो बच गया तो उसमें ऑल वेजिटेबल्स डाल के हम लोग ने कटलेट बना लिया. तो हाउ वी डू लाइक फूड, वी जनरली मेक बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट. तो विद द फूड ऑल्सो आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग दैट क्रिएटिविटी. खिचड़ी आज ज्यादा बची है तो उसके अंदर यू पुट वेजिटेबल्स, यू पुट सम जुवारी और बाजरी फ्लावर एंड मेक इट इनटू फॉर्म ऑफ पराठा. So that is also a kind of invented of the new food which you can eat, and yet it is healthy and you're not wasting the food also. I hope कि मैं इंग्लिश और हिंदी जो दोनों में बोल रही हूँ, which is okay with all of you. Yeah. Now the अभी जब actual journey शुरू हुई, when I got married and when I had my own children, that time I came to know about the food and all. कि जो मैंने theory SNDT कॉलेज में हम लोग के उसमें न्यूट्रिशन में पढ़ी है, it is not the exactly same what we use in our practical life, especially with the children. Because उसके पहले I was working with Talwalkar, so more of the weight loss, weight gain, diabetes, pressure वो सब आता था. पर एक्चुअल बच्चों के साथ इंटरेक्शन जब भी हुआ जब भी मेरे खुद के बच्चे हुए. That was more than 13 years before. So my journey began. So initially I thought, okay, you know, like I know everything. That time I realized that don't you think your kids should have come with an instruction manual? जैसे हम लोग कोई मशीन खरीदते हैं तो उसके साथ वो मशीन कैसे चलाना होता है उसकी इंस्ट्रक्शन मैनुअल आती है, राइट? हम लोग वो अच्छे से पढ़ते हैं और वो पढ़ने के बाद हम लोग वो मशीन बराबर चलाना सीख जाते हैं. अभी ये भगवान ने बच्चा दिया है हम लोग को, पर उसको चलाने के लिए वी हैव टू डू लॉट्स ऑफ ट्रायल एंड एरर बिकॉज अपने पास कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन मैनुअल नहीं है. So here sometimes you have to be tough, sometimes you have to be mellow down, sometimes you have to be give them something. So this is here how you can win the food fight with the children. So with this question I begin with them and here I can start. So you can note down few of the things which I'm going to share over here. Yeah, you can change the slide. How to win the food fight. So कैसे हम लोग बच्चों के साथ का ये फूड फाइट है वो बदल कर सकते हैं. पहले के ज़माने में इतना इंटरनेट भी नहीं थे, जैसे हम लोग टेक सेवी नहीं थे, तो ये सब बहुत फेमिलियर था. मीन्स आप बोल रहे हो खाना खाना है, बच्चे बोल रहे हैं मैं नहीं खाऊंगा, मैं इतने बजे खाऊंगा, मैं इतना ही खाऊंगा. तो ऑल दीज वी आर फेसिंग डे टू डे लाइफ में, राइट? या and we all google out, आज के ज़माने में पेरेंट्स को मैंने देखा है, मॉम्स को, they want to first google out what is happening. So when you try to google out, you get some quick fix which is just for temporary. You cannot use that throughout the thing because every child is reacting in a different way. Now और एक बात मुझे पूछनी है, बच्चा जब आता है हम लोग उनको डालते हैं स्कूल्स में, उनको डालते हैं ड्राइंग क्लास में, क्राफ्ट क्लास में, स्पोर्ट्स क्लास में और एक्टिविटीज में डालते हैं. मीन्स ऑल बिग होस्ट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज वी पुट देम, दे आर जंपिंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर लाइक दैट. बट वी आर नॉट टीचिंग द एक्चुअल न्यूट्रिशन फैक्ट टू द चिल्ड्रन. हम लोग उनको नहीं बताते कि उनको खाना क्यों खाना है. सिर्फ 4 मील्स हम लोग को सर्व करना है, वी जस्ट सर्व देम, बट वी डोंट मेक अटेम्प्ट टू टीच देम. हम लोग बच्चों को नहीं बताते कि आपको बनाना क्यों खाना है. ये फ्रूट टाइम हुआ है, आइए बनाना खाना है. पर जब व्हेन आई talk with parents, when it's especially nutrition for the children, I tell them, like I need to talk to the children first, not with the parents. So then I ask them the problem, what is happening, why you don't want. When I tell them, when you eat banana, means unka passion jano. If there is an athlete here coming and he wants to perform good, you tell them, when you eat one whole pomegranate or when you eat one whole fig, what it will do is, it is going to help your heart muscles. अपना heart का जो muscles है, उसको वो ऑक्सीजन अच्छे से सप्लाई करेगा. अगर आपके बॉडी को अच्छे से ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई हो रहा है तो आप नेटवर्क मीन्स आपकी जो परफॉर्मेंस है स्पोर्ट्स में वो बहुत अच्छी होगी. अगर आपको एग्जाम्स देना है तो व्हेन यू गिव बनाना, so banana is like supplying electricity to your brain. The neurons will start, acting like that. So banana is also very important. Kathy, can you do the previous slide, please? Here you have to address their why. Also, they will ask, Mama, why I can't eat every day sugar, means chocolates, this colorful candies. Why I cannot eat daily sandwiches or burger, or why I cannot eat ragda patties every day, or why I can't drink Coke. So there you have to explain them why they cannot eat. You just tell कि नहीं खाना है, neglect करना है, तो वो और भी मांगेगा आपके पास से. Because हम लोग जो ना बोलते हैं, human mentality is there. The moment you tell them no, you suppress their curiosity, they will ask for more. So better to address their curiosity at the right age so that they will, they know कि क्यों नहीं खाना है. The next slide. जैसे कि यहाँ पे मैंने दिखा कि when you show them, you know, कि ज्यादा चॉकलेट्स खाने से टूथ है उसका बैक्टीरिया होता है. बैक्टीरिया when it is getting, when you food is stick to your teeth a longer time, जो sugar जो आज के केक्स है, मफिन्स है, चॉकलेट्स है, वो ज्यादा टाइम रहता है, तो then you get a toothache. So do you want that? If you don't want, then try to avoid that. Only certain times in a day you can eat that. And also, yes, here one more tip I would like to share. When I suggest to all my clients, whenever they give chocolates or candy, along with that, a stick of carrot or cucumber is coming free. So that what will happen, the teeth will be clean, the dental cavity will not be occur. Nowadays, I've seen to the dentist also a lot of small children are going. So you need to take that also into consideration. Also explain them about the healthy fat, what is going to happen, maybe through the picture or through the story, what is going to happen when they eat burger, when they eat chips, when they eat packet of biscuits, you know. So you need to create an awareness, a literacy drive for children. जब तक आप वो नहीं करोगे तब तक they will not understand and they will rebel at each and every point with you. So I really want you to go and deeply you think why you have to feed this. अगर आपको इतना सब्जी उसको देना है तो क्यों देना है? So molding, shaping and forcing, all these are the negative thing which will, you know, they are creating negative relationship with your food, with your children. So when you tell them, okay, you know, which is good and which is bad, food, I mean, no food is good or bad. I mean, what you have to tell is, you have to tell this food is going to do this to your body. Then let the child decide, because human beings are naturally, you know, we are inclined towards the healthy food. It is there, the parent role, you know, what we are serving them. So basically we have to educate our kids. Now here with this motherhood, I have, you know, learned this 3 P's. I would like to share with all of you that this has to be a mantra. बस इसको तो आप मंत्र ही बना लीजिए 24 घंटे के लिए. Patience, positive and persistence. So positivity, like this is the most important among all P's. We have a mealtime battle, right? Every time when we argue, ये नहीं खाता है, वो नहीं खाता है, अभी ये बना के दूँ, वो बना के दूँ. So the mother is also hyper because she has to put everything on time, and child is also rebelling because he is hungry but he doesn't know and he don't want to eat that food. तो उनको पता नहीं होता है कि कैसे रिएक्ट करना है, तो वो भी चिल्लाता है, क्रैंकीनेस होती है. That is why the positivity means, you know, tell them this carrot is very good for your eyes. You know, have you seen any rabbit wearing specs? No, na. So that is why you also try to wear. I know I must have eaten less carrots, so I have specs right now. But now I'm eating. So also my daughter, no, she likes to be all the girls I have seen their age, they like to be good, their hair should be good. So tell them by eating a bowl of rajma or eating 2 vatis dal, that will going to help them for healthy hair and healthy skin. Or if you tell your son कि आप ये 2 वाटी दाल खाएंगे या तो आप 1 वाटी छोले खाएंगे तो आप क्रिकेट में 6 easily मार सकोगे, because your body will be so much energetic. So this kind of trick you have to apply for that. No, the previous one only. So that is going to help. Now persistence, जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि जो एक ही कपड़ा रोज तो हम लोग नहीं पहनते हैं. We also wear different types of clothes, you know. Similarly आजकल मैंने देखा है, मेरे पास एक क्लाइंट आया था, उसकी बेटी थी, वो रोज भिंडी खाती है. मीन्स वो भिंडी के अलावा कोई सब्जी खाती ही नहीं है. मीन्स all 7 days in their house she makes bhindi for her daughter. So what we want to do is, I told her, okay, you know, you give slowly. भिंडी तो दो आप साथ में, उसके साथ 1 चम्मच आप डालो दूसरी सब्जी, यानी मे बी यू आर पुटिंग बीन्स और यू आर पुटिंग पीस और potatoes or spinach, anything. Just give 1 spoon and tell her once that you have to eat this. Tell her once, this is just for tasting. Slowly with that same tone. Tone भी आपका एकदम लो होना चाहिए. नहीं, ये खाना है आपको, थोड़ा है खाना है, बड़ा पिच में बोलोगे तो उसको लगेगा this is a negative thing. So try to be gentle and try to be calm and just tell her this is a little thing which is new Try it out. How you try new clothes in the mall. Same way, please try this little new sabji. So that way, you know, they will not rebel also because उनकी favorite sabji तो है ही. This way, you are building a new taste for them, and you know they will try adapting. So slowly, with that same client, after a month, after 3 months of doing this activity, you know, so that was persistence, and she was slow, but she was doing that. This bhindi become once a week, and the rest all other vegetables got the weightage. So please try to be persistent. एक दिन में कोई चेंज या बदलाव नहीं होगा, किधर भी नहीं होता है. हम लोग खुद भी कोई हैबिट्स डालना चाहते हैं तो it takes at least 21 days. So that is the children. So please give them some time to change and adaptability. Patience also like this. It is the same thing where I want to say. Like you have to be patient. You know. Now also one more thing I would like to say कि don't pressure your children for everything. एक मैं छोटी स्टोरी बोल देती हूँ यहाँ पे. मीन्स इट्स अ क्लाइंटल थिंग ओनली विच आई हैड एक्सपेरिमेंट विद देम. सो they are from US. So my friend, they have a habit, you know, making smoothie. वहाँ पे smoothie बहुत चलती है. सुबह breakfast means everybody either having smoothie or they will have cornflakes. So my friend, I told her कि you know आप smoothie बना रहे हो, बनाओ. And then एक ही बार उसको बोलो कि smoothie पीना है. If he's saying no, don't react. Second day, just ask her, do you want to drink? If no, तो ये टाइम में जो सेकेंड टाइम नो था ना, वो थोड़ा सटल था. थर्ड डे he asked her son, okay, do you want to drink smoothie? थोड़ा ऐसा हुआ, so still he said no. The fourth day, she just asked, do you want to drink smoothie? Can I taste little? So that attitude came सामने से ही. She gave him little bit like a taster. अच्छा है. Fifth day, morning, son woke up early and he told, Mama, can I make smoothie today for everybody? And this was actually working. So don't force them. You have to just tell them once, twice. It will take at least 10 to 15 days, you know, to adapt. So just tell her once. If they are not listening, it is okay. But you have to keep trying. That is a parent's job, that we have to keep on trying till, you know, they get into that. Because जैसे हम लोग ड्राइंग क्लास में भेजते हैं, एक टाइम में तो पूरा वो आर्टिस्ट नहीं बन जाता है ना. या if we send them to any of the sports, they are not becoming overnight the sportsmen. With slowly, steady, persistent, gradually they are adapting all those things. Similar things will happen with the food also. Now this picture I have shown super mom. So this is especially for all the mothers or all the aunties who are taking care of children. आज के ज़माने में वो ज़्यादा देखने को मिला है मैंने कि they all want to be like a super mom. You know, they don't want to share the responsibility. Like they can do everything. Of course, there's no doubt you can do it. But at the cost of your struggle, you are compromising on your health, you're compromising on your hobbies or your me time. So all the mothers, please share your work. So your sharing means you can share some of your activities maybe with your husband. Tell him to handle some cooking part or some household work or somewhere, so that you get some me time, some relaxed time from your bringing up children's activity. You know, so we need to, and if you can afford and you can keep a maid, then please do that, so that you can spend that quality time with your children, you know, instead of doing those work. So here that is very important, because nowadays, since we are seeing more of the nuclear family, we are not able to get those helps what we used to get from those stuff. So I used to say that your own village is coming into a small hut, because when we say village, we have whole lot of people who are helping us in our day-to-day activity, and today that village is just getting destroyed. So all independent women, please share your burden and spend the quality time with your children. Next slide. So here I can say the kids are like sponge, you know, so do the habits. And जितना जल्दी आप उनको अर्ली मोल्ड करोगे, उतना जल्दी ही वो लोग अडॉप्ट करेंगे. if you say at the age of 15, if I tell them to, start eating vegetables and fruits, they will adapt, but it will take its own time compared to the children whom we are teaching them at the age of 2 and 3 years. So the early, the merrier, like that. So let food be a part of their life and not just a part of meal. So I wanted to tell you from this कि उनको आप अपने साथ, you have to help, to take the help. The next one. Yeah, this is here where you can, grow. Now today a lot of people are growing small, vegetables garden in their home, whatever the space is available. If you cannot grow, at least you can take your children to the market. When they go to the market, when they buy, they will learn the maths here. They will use their all senses, the sight, the smell, touch. So they know the texture of different food, different vegetables. So that way they will be more coming closer to the food. The third step, what you can do is take their help in cooking. So maybe begin with a small thing. You can ask them to chop or peel. Chop means, like just removing a piece from the shell or peeling the potatoes. Or you can do the chopping if you have a blunt knife. तो butter knife होता है, उससे वो लोग आराम से कर सकते हैं. Scissors रहते हैं तो उससे भी they can chop the greens, leafy vegetables. So take the small help. थोड़ा कटता है तो भी it is okay. क्या आपकी उंगली नहीं कटी है? Nothing will happen. They will learn to tackle that also. So be positive and ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा. Don't be anxious. Your anxiety will kill their curiosity. So please don't do that. So I came like buying, cooking, and then eating together. So this is very important. At least 1 or 2 meals in a day we eat together with the family. So, and also like, there will be a lot of talking, chit chat. So make a meal time more pleasurable and pleasantable instead of taking out topic which will stress everyone, so that stress is going into the food also, and that food is you are nourishing. So the stress is also getting inside your body. So crack some joke, discuss the day's life, like that. Now the family plan, it's a weekly menu together. Why I'm discussing this point here? Because a lot of people have, like there was one family who had come like for the family counseling. The client was like, they have to make 3 vegetables 2 times a day. तो मॉर्निंग में 3 सब्जी, शाम को 3 सब्जी, बिकॉज उसको ये पसंद है, उसको ये पसंद है, वैसा. इट वाज काइंड ऑफ लाइक दैट. उसको गट्टे की सब्जी पसंद है, उसको बीन्स की सब्जी पसंद है, एंड किड्स लाइक द पोटैटोज. सो द मॉम इज कुकिंग 3 vegetables for all 3 different people. And what they are doing is like in the same thing happens for dinner time also. एक को खिचड़ी कड़ी पसंद है, किसी को पास्ता पसंद है, and for her she has to make some, because she's on a diet, so she has to make some juwari roti. So imagine the condition of the mother who is cooking all this stuff, since her whole stress is going into the food. So then I gave a solution to try out for a week. That is, you all sit together on Sunday morning after the breakfast and plan out. So in a 7-day, everybody can get 5 different recipes which they like, food they like, dishes, and write it down. From that, she can create a weekly menu, so that it will be like सबके मन का पसंदी का खाना रोज कुछ ना कुछ बनेगा उसमें से, right? So everybody is happy. Even the mom is also happy, and the eating who is कि आज उसके पसंद का बना है, कल उसके पसंद का. That way, the children will learn to eat everything. They will not be fussy. The adaptability will be more. कि आज इसके पसंद का भी हम लोग को खाना है. It is okay to eat somebody else likes. So that way, they will also start liking the other food. तो जो अलग अलग खाना आजकल फैमिली में बनता है ना, प्लीज वो बंद करो. Just make 1 meal at a time and try to synchronize everybody's likes and dislikes in that cooking, so that nobody will be upset. So you have to serve a healthy food. Like रोज रोटी सब्जी दाल चावल आप बोलेंगे तो 3 times और वही का वही खाना nowadays they don't like. हम लोग को जैसे क्रिएटिविटी पसंद है, वैसे बच्चों को और फैमिली मेंबर्स को भी क्रिएटिविटी पसंद है. So when you're making breakfast, if you're making 3 times a week only poha, I'm sorry, no one will like it. So at least try to use 3 food groups from the food pyramid. I think nowadays food pyramid, everybody knows about it. So like in that same poha, you can add some vegetables or you can add some sprouts. So that will be an additional thing to it and it will be more healthy. The weightage of the food will increase. So try to serve some delicious food. Even the paratha you can make. The aloo paratha banaya hai. But now the next option I can give you is when you're making aloo paratha, add more of the vegetables, no? That way you are sneaking more vegetables inside the food. Or if tip I would like to give what I do generally, nobody likes pumpkin, children, they are very finicky with the pumpkin. And we know it is so good for eyes and for vitamin E content is very good in that. So vitamin A content, sorry. So when we make pasta or when we make pizza, we make a sauce at home. So in that sauce, I at least 1/4 part I put the pumpkin inside the sauce. Until date, nobody knows. I think when they see me this live, they're going to talk to me about it. So this pumpkin is a good magic which you can sneak into the food. The taste will be good. It will be gives little sweetness also and little bulk to the gravy also. So that way you try to put vegetables into your gravy. Same way work with white pumpkin and yellow pumpkin. So this is a tip for mom. Yeah, the next slide. Yeah. So here I also spoke about the nutritional value of each dishes you can increase. So sometimes you don't have to serve roti, sabji, dal, rice. If you're serving a stuffed vegetable paratha, if you have added few kind of dal or rajma also inside it, so it's a complete meal in itself. So if you serve that paratha and curd, like your lunch is sorted out. Or same way you can convert that into frankie, or same way you can convert it into one pot meal. Like those are the dishes nowadays you should try for quick cooking. Sometimes don't make elaborate meals because even nobody likes that right now to eat all the four food, especially in the lockdown I have realized. And we are doing this kind of food and we all are enjoying the food. So the time is also getting not getting wasted and we are enjoying the food. Yeah, right. Here I spoke to you about little bit of sneaking over there with the pumpkin. Now, these are the all dishes which is considered to be a junk food in the restaurants we enjoy. The same thing you can make it at home on a regular basis. Just change little bit of ingredients. Here I have suggested about the frankie where you are adding lots of vegetables into it. Potato content can be reduced and here I have suggested like few boiled vegetables, sprouts or moong dal. These are excellent substitutes for boiled potatoes or giving bulk to the food. So pav bhaji you can make a lot of moong dal and vegetables you can add and just reduce the amount of potato. So it comes like whole vegetable in a bowl. So if they are just eating that, I think it should be okay. And sometimes you can give one paratha with bhaji, that is also fine. So you don't want to give pav, throughout आपको पाव नहीं देना है, तो ये पराठा भी आप उसके साथ दे सकते हो. Now रगड़ा पैटिस बनाते तो जो पैटिस हम लोग बनाते हैं, हम लोग सिर्फ सब्जियों की पैटिस भी बना सकते हैं. Sweet potato is an excellent in vitamin A, fiber and phytonutrients. So try to add that in your potatoes, wherever you are putting potatoes. It's a good substitute for that. Burger patty, for burger patty you can add rajma or you can add boiled chole. So that will give the protein part. You are adding few vegetables into it, so that comes the vegetable group. And third thing, the bread is there, so that is the only one which is going little bit unhealthy, but the other two is really helping. Now when you eat outside burger, first of all the patty and all is with only potatoes, and that also they add preservative in that. So try to avoid that and make those junk food at home in the form of healthy version. So I'm sure your meal time will be much pleasurable compared to what the tantrums is happening कि आज क्या बनाओ और आज ये ही खाना है वो ही खाना है. The kids show, but when you tell them this thing कि ये बना है, but don't tell them what you have added into it, I'm sure they're going to relish. You are also sorted and the kids are also sorted out. Yeah, the next slide. Yeah, you need to set a good example to your children, because हम लोग जो बोलते हैं वो बच्चे लोग सुनते नहीं हैं. You try with your own self. Do you listen or you observe more? So the children are observing from the day one to us. They are looking forward to us for each and everything. how we are reacting, how we are talking, how we are speaking, how we are sleeping, how we are eating. तो there are many families, you know, उसके घर में जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि फैमिली के घर पे हर एक के लिए अलग अलग चीज बनती है, वो लोग वो नहीं खाते तो बच्चा भी वही सीखता है कि मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है, मुझे वो पसंद नहीं है, मेरे लिए ये बनाओ, मेरे लिए, क्योंकि यू आर मेकिंग फॉर द ओल्डर पीपल, दे आर फॉर ऑब्जर्विंग दैट, so same thing they also demand. That is why I suggested to make the meal planner for the week. You know, that way one thing is sorted out. Second thing, once in a week, try to do a family cooking together. You know, that is going to help you out. Third thing, अगर आप खुद fruits नहीं खाते हो, अगर आप खुद vegetables नहीं खाते हो, you can't expect your children to eat. So first you look and introspect yourself कि आप खुद खाते हो. अगर आप खाते हो तो you are sorted out. You know, when I was small, I used to not like 3 vegetables, you know, that is karela, bangan and mushroom. But I'm telling you now, I'm making at least once a week all the 3 things. Because I think slowly even I have developed that taste. And by looking at me, my children are eating from the beginning. Because this recipes, my husband, you know, encouraged me to make it because he used to love it. So उसको पसंद है करके मुझे भी बनाना तो पड़ा ही. And slowly, eventually, even I tried and I liked the taste, which I was not eating before my marriage. So that is the thing where, you know, even I realized कि I should be also slow. If certain vegetables उन लोग को पसंद नहीं है तो it is okay. अगर वो सिर्फ दाल रोटी खाता है आज एक मील में, that is also fine, but don't struggle कि नहीं ये खाना ही है, बनाया है, एक बार पूछ लो नहीं खाना है तो it is okay. Eventually they will develop the taste because slow and steady we win the race. So that way with the fruits and vegetables also, you know. And when they do something good, so give them appreciation. We all like appreciation. So that appreciation, if they are eating fruits today without telling you, or they have tasted new vegetables, you know, that way you can give them, don't give them bribe or don't give them chocolates or don't give them ice cream to eat that. Instead, do it with giving small hug or, you know, playing game with them, or, you know, take their help for cooking. Okay, chalo, aaj you help me to make this. So all that will give them like, you know, praising for them. So those praises are welcoming instead of giving them like bribing them with the food, because that will give them negativity and they will become more pricky when you tell them the next time, you know, नहीं आज ये नहीं दोगे तो मैं खाऊंगा नहीं. अरे, it's not that. You give them nice hug. Okay, you tasted that. I'm very happy, and we can just dance together today to celebrate this. Like that, those kind of things you can give them. Now as a mother, you concentrate on the children of what to eat, when to eat, and where to eat. This 3 things is mother's job, you know. What to eat means आज क्या बनाना है, कब खाना है और कहाँ खाना है. Means it is a meal time, so of course you will eat at home. Once a week nowadays it is okay to eat outside, or you order food from outside. What to eat also I told them कि moms know better. बच्चा नहीं बोलेगा, you can ask them the suggestion. You tell them 2 choices, you know, कि मैं आज cabbage बनाऊँ या cauliflower बनाऊँ. When you give them choices, no, the battle becomes much easier because they are getting choice. आज मैं तुअर दाल बनाऊँ या मैं मूंग दाल बनाऊँ, छोले बनाऊँ या राजमा बनाऊँ, or today I should make pav bhaji or I should make dosa. So this kind of choice when you give, even the child will feel that they have some power in the house to decide. So that will also help a good relationship with you and your children and the food. Yeah. And this is like, let your child do his or her job. Means if he or she will eat at that time, whether he is hungry or no. That is, this I'm telling why, because this way you have to develop the timetable, the some certain routine, how much to eat. If he's fine with 2 chapati, don't force for the 3rd one. If he's saying okay, because that way they will be relating and adapting their satiety signal of the brain. वो बहुत अच्छे से जान पाएंगे कि उनको कितना खाना है, कितना नहीं खाना है. Let them eat with their own hands. After 2.5 years, they are quite okay to eat. थोड़ा mess करेंगे, so please, that is also okay. For what they want to eat, or you know how what what to eat from the food you offer. So if you are telling, you know, like sometimes कि मुझे यही खाना है, मुझे वही खाना है, मैं आज सब्जी नहीं खाऊंगा, जो मैंने बताया आपको पहले कि इट इज़ ओके, यू नो, अगर आपका बच्चा रेगुलरली सब वेजिटेबल्स खाता है और कभी कभी बोलता है कि आज मैं ये सब्जी नहीं खाऊंगा, तो बोला एक चम्मच खाली ले लो टेस्ट करने के लिए, बाकी का ज्यादा पोर्शन नहीं खाएंगे तो इट इज ओके. समटाइम्स डोंट ट्राई टू, यू नो, फिल द प्लेट विद ऑल द फोर थिंग्स, और ये जितना खाया है उतना खाना ही पड़ेगा. डोंट डू दैट. गिव देम सम kind of independence to decide on the food also. Yeah, the next slide. Yeah, now after telling you all these points, during my motherhood, I come up to few conclusions, you know. So before doing my books also, I came to this conclusion, what is there in front of you on the screen, कि क्या क्या मेन हेल्दी हैबिट्स पे हम लोग को फोकस करना है पेरेंटिंग में. तो विच ऑल थिंग्स इज लाइक, यू नो, 9 hours ऑफ स्लीप. तो उसके बाद मैंने ये ड्राफ्ट किया और उसके बाद हम लोग ने उसको पोस्टर फॉर्म में बनाया, एंड नाउ इट इज गोइंग लाइक अ हॉट केक इन ऑल दी स्कूल्स, and wherever I had kept the stall for my books also, this is like a good on cherry on cake, because it's like summarizing everything. आजकल लोग फ्रिज पे लगाते हैं. I will share the PDF file, so those who want they can print and keep it in their house. Here I'm telling the 9 hours of sleep. Why the sleep is very much important for children? Why? Because what is happening when you sleep, जब हम सोते हैं तो अपने brain जो है वो unwind करता है. Because मेरे पास एक client आए थे, उसके बच्चे लोग थे, वो like, because they were also with a husband who was working from home because of this lockdown, he was staying awake because he was working as a night shift. और तो कभी कभी वो भी मूवी देखते थे. The mother was watching that, so children were also doing that. Next day they have found out कि स्कूल रहती है तो children are not happy, they are cranky, they have to struggle to wake them up. ये सब बहुत होता था. So this is why, this is just 3 months back only, I'm sharing this example with you. And it was a lockdown period, so definitely this is the right example I can give you. तो मैंने उनको बोला कि रूटीन सेट किया है कि नहीं किया है. Before lockdown, the school was there, tuitions were there, they were going out, they were getting tired, but now they are at home. The physical activity nahi ho rahi hai, so they're not getting tired, so they sleep late, and they sleep late with watching something on the screen. And that is why when they get up, they are cranky, because that what they have watched at night, that is there into their mind. Just a minute. So you have to be think, you know, वो जो सोना है वो टाइम टेबल पे हो तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, because that is a small vacation which your body is taking, you know, small little holiday that is required to repair your own body, to repair the neurons of their own muscle of the brain. So that will be going to helpful. So do that. Second point is that 8 glass of water. Yeah, we can change the slide, Kathy. Yeah, this is like 6 hours of sleep. Your brain neurons will work like this. When you have a 9 hours of sleep, it shows how it works to your brain. And with this, with proper sleep, they can have a sharpen their attention. They will improve their creativity, improve their memory, lower the stress, live better life, alert their mind. तो जो प्रॉब्लम आती थी स्कूल में, बच्चा अटेंशन नहीं पे कर रहा था, he was finicking with the keys only, or he was not able to grasp what teacher was saying. What all got sorted out when the sleep pattern got regulated. At least for around 8 years, you require 10 to 11 hours of sleep. Above 8 to 15 years, at least 9 hours of sleep. And for adults, 7 to 8 hours of sleep is required. So please grab your sleep first, and this is going to help to increase your immunity also. So because your lot of immune cells are building when you're sleeping. If you don't sleep at good time, that is not going to happen. So watch it during this COVID time. The sleep is the most important thing. The water is a thing which we all know that human body 70% is water. If there is no water in your body, the whole lump mass will be accommodated in one small bucket. So imagine that much our body is water. So what you little bit also, if it is less, it is going to create a problem. जैसे मशीन में हम लोग को ऑयलिंग करते हैं, कार चलाने के लिए भी उसको ऑयलिंग ल्यूब्रिकेट करते हैं. Same way our body, all parts, all joints require oiling to lubricate your movements. So that is why the water is an important thing which you need to drink every day, at least 8 to 10 glasses of water. Now here, if you don't like water, try to infuse it with some kind of cucumber or mint, or you can have lime juice, you can have coconut water, you can have jaljeera, you can have kokum sharbat. All these are, but not like only drinking that throughout the day. It is like 1 or 2 glass in a day, but the rest plain water is the must for everyone. And if you are taking some warm water in the morning and before bedtime, that is an excellent thing, because this warm water is going to clean your whole food pipe. So kabhi kabhi, you know, we have when you get up, you have a little bit of throat pain because कुछ oily खाया होता है, और अगर हम लोग गर्म पानी नहीं पीते, the oil is stick to their food pipe, and there the growth of bacteria happens. So generally when we go out, like, you know, for eating food, like after coming from restaurant or we had some dessert at night, we gargle with salt water and we drink also some warm water. So this two things I realize is helping, because before I've seen my kids, you know, whenever they eat ice cream, the next day the throat is gone. So the ice cream is not creating a problem. It is the timing what you are eating and how you are treating after that, it is affecting. तो अगर आप आइसक्रीम खाते हो तो उसके ऊपर थोड़ा गर्म पानी दे दो या थोड़ा नमक वाला पानी दे दो, इट विल क्लियर योर थ्रोट. So there the bacteria will not grow. Any oily, any greasy food you are eating, if you are going to not drink this hot water, you are going to have little bit of throat problem 100% when you get up in the morning. Try it out and then do both the experiments, so you will come to know. Here 5 fruits and vegetables. Now here is the main thing, you know, you have to tell them children why they have to eat, because this colorful things, it is so attractive, so appealing, but actually when we want to see the children, they are not eating. Where, you know, watermelon, for sake of example, I can say watermelon are loaded with vitamin A. Now how it is helping, you know, when you eat watermelon, say tell them, no, you can explain them कि वो आँखों के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. जैसे अपना रेटिना के पीछे कैमरा में like you capture the picture, you know, it is so good. But when you don't eat, what is happen is the deficiency of vitamin A is night blindness, और जब तेज धूप में जाते हैं तो अपनी आँख ऐसे स्क्विंट हो जाती है. But I would suggest when you go to the beach or when you go outside, carry watermelon. Then you don't have to carry sunglasses with you, because this watermelon is going to help to do the job of sunglasses. So eat watermelon a lot when you are out, especially. That is why the summer food is called a watermelon. Same way with apple, which is also very good to increase the circulation of blood. It carries a lot of oxygen and supplies oxygen to the whole organs of the body. That is why the athlete should eat an apple before, you know, his workout or before his game. So that is going to help. Apple and pomegranate do the same job. So it is very good to have that. Also they are very good in iron. उनमें iron की मात्रा बहुत ही अच्छी है. तो उससे अपना hemoglobin बढ़ेगा. Hemoglobin बढ़ेगा तो ऑक्सीजन की मात्रा बढ़ेगी, और ऑक्सीजन की मात्रा बढ़ेगी, your performance will be better. So if you give this kind of examples to your children, they are happily going to eat that. You don't have to struggle with that. Cucumber, green leafy vegetables, all work like that way. So try to give such kind of examples to explain them the concept. Yeah. The next slide. Same way which comes for grain. Now in today's time, we all are having more of, you know, pav. For pav bhaji, we are having bread slice for sandwich, we are having hamburgers and different kind of burgers, or roti, naan, which is all made up of maida. I want to take you down to the root of this thing, where Indian root is the millets. Millets are our own grown Indian origin. This has come from the Western. wheat and rice is not the Indian origin. Like 200 साल पहले अंग्रेज आए तभी ये आया, उसके पहले अपने कंट्री में वो नहीं था. So jowari, bajra, ragi, all these are the good stuff which you need to eat. So try to incorporate this. Like how I do is morning में अगर मैंने रोटी बनाई है तो शाम को I will make something with the जुवारी और बाजरी. या तो ब्रेकफास्ट में बाजरे का रोटला, जो हम लोग गुजराती में रोटला बोलते हैं, but sometimes children don't like rotla, but if you add some vegetables into it and make it and give it to them, this will be like a stuffed vegetable rotla, or make a pizza on that, so that way kids are relishing on it. This way you can introduce millets. Even when you make idli dosa, you can add 1 vati millet flour into that, and believe me, it is going to turn out excellent, because it makes more ferment the batter and it gives crispiness also. Yeah, the next slide. Proteins. Here I told you this is a beauty ingredient. You have to tell your kid how beautifully they are going to look or how strong they are going to become when they eat dal, pulses, or rajma, chole, anything. At least for vegetarian, my friends, I used to say that 2 vati in a day is a must for them. So try to incorporate that. Third thing. Yeah, the next slide. Dairy. ये चार्ट ही मैंने बच्चों लोग को दिखाती हूँ. When they are born कि एक कप में कितना आता है curd, so they have born with this much calcium. Now till 10 years they have to gather this much calcium, like around 8 cups in their trump. So from where they will get it? The dairy is the thing. So at least 2 portion of dairy children have to eat in a day. Now we have heard a lot of things, dairy, they are making hormonal addicted and all this stuff which is happening. Controversies are happening with the milk. So I don't want to jump into that, but only some substitute I can give you is you can have a little bit of till. A tablespoon of till a day is going to help you to sort out with half the requirement of your calcium. So try to have that a till chikki, or you can have till laddu. Especially if you are eating black till, the iron is also sorted out with that. So this kind of food you can give them. It is a very small til chikki. Instead of giving a glass of milk, just take til chikki de diya aapne, so they are sorted out with that. So some type of variety is also needed for children. So give them that change. Yeah, the next slide. Screen time. We all know how much harmful, but during this lockdown, we are bound to be on this. Forcefully, we all are on the screen because the whole world is on the screen. So we can't help it right now. But slowly, when things are settling, try to control this and not more than 2 hours. Because what is happening, it is compromising on your family time also. Or they are not doing any other activity, physical activity, which they need to do. The screen time is eating all of their activity time. So try to balance it with your life. Yeah, the next slide. One, mindful eating. Yeah, here we all follow this, rule of 10 in my house. Rule of 10 means, how I can say is, a 9 healthy food you are eating, then 1 cheating you can do. Like how we do a little bit cheating while playing game also, same we do with the food also. So even I love dark chocolate, or I love ice cream little bit. So if 9 things I'm eating healthy, so 1 portion in a day, it is okay. But it should not be a big bowl, or it should not be a whole packet of chips, but only 1 small portion. So 1 small cupcake you can have, or you can have 1 or 2 pieces of chocolates, or you can have small vati chips. Yeah. So this much cheating is allowed. We all know how important the physical activity is. So try to involve yourself also with that. Now in this lockdown, if you cannot go out, at least do some 45 minutes activity at home, playing with children, putting some YouTube where you can see lots of yoga and lots of dance activity for children also. So just put that and enjoy this, because this is a good nourishment for your brain and for your body to keep healthy. It secretes some good hormone which is going to work wonder for your body, because this is there, right? I have experience with my own children nowadays. When they go at least 2 hours outside, we are fortunate that in our building, they can play. We are less people staying in the building, so they can play. And I have seen that difference when they don't play and when they play. The mood changes are a lot. So just give this happy mood to them. Zero sugary drink. Yeah, this is the thing which I really want to you all to think over it. You know, when you tell them, this is one experiment which I have conducted in corporate also, where, you know, few packets I have taken and they all have seen how much sugar content in that, and they have measured in a cup. So where they are like, this Coke will be like 1/4 of Coke will water, I mean 1/4 of that plastic glass will be sugar. So do you think you're going to sit and eat that sugar? No, you will not eat that. You will puke out. I'm definitely sure for that. Same way with the biscuits. There are many things, ingredients where different named sugar has been there, like fructose and cane sugar and maple syrup and all that. So all sugar are sugar. They are doing the same job into your body of harming. They have no nutrient, and in nutrition content we say it's a white poison. You know, it's a white drug, which you are getting addicted to it. So if kids are, जितना वो लोग बच्चे दूर रखे इससे उतना ही अच्छा है. Till date, I am not putting sugar in my children's milk. They are not eating that. So wherever you can control, you please control that. From the beginning, the milk में भी दूध में शक्कर डालने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. So try to avoid eating sugar into that thing. Yeah, I would just like this as a takeaway. You can follow. Eat good, keep the body and generation healthy. Be good, keep the mind and generation healthy. And do good, keep the society and generation healthy. Yeah. With all these things, I have explained with many of the examples in my book. As you all know that I am an author and come up with 4 books with the help of Navneet publication. So it is available on Amazon, Flipkart, and First Cry. Yeah. I'll just take you down the line to see how the books look. The few of the pages I've uploaded here. Sati, can you just run through that thing? Yeah. Yeah. There's a cover page where the book, every book has a one story to begin with. This is the index map where they are taking, in the whole book, you're taking around in a park. You know, there are different parks. There's a Nutri Village, there is a Happy Healthy Park. So there is an Indian map where they are going around the whole book. So it's a fun way to go to that. Yeah, next. The Indian rich culture, we have explained what is, let's peep inside the, you know, Indian food pattern, Sattvic, Rajasic, Tamasic, why we are following that ancient thing, different religious food. Like India is a vast culture with all the different cultural food. Then some did you know, some tips, recipes, some activity. So how to read the food label. The 4th book means you can say it's an encyclopedia for parents with the children. So your children will not enjoy alone, the parents will not enjoy alone. It's a joint venture for both of them. Yeah. This is the recipe thing, how the water is important for your body. It's well explained. All this, my artist, she has done hand drawn everything. So yeah. Yeah, if any of the question, I think I've taken.
You want me to play that video?
Yeah, I conduct a workshop for parents and for children, mostly for the children, cooking workshop for children, you know. So Khyati will play like how the workshop looks like. They're making posters, a health poster to keep in front of them. The different kind of food which they are creating in the workshop. This is in the school which I have taken a project for 2 years. So yeah. So any of the questions which the viewers want to ask me, I'm okay to address.
First, I have 2 questions.
Okay.
Before I can talk about the viewers, I have got some few questions.
I've taken overtime now to explain everything. I'm so sorry for that.
No, it's okay. I think people are enjoying and this will be recorded. So it will be like a history. People will refer to you like a book, you know. So it's good. आपने जो presentation किया है वो इतना अच्छा है और इतना डिटेल में किया है about food, nutrition and changing you know habits of the children and how to do cheating also.
Yeah.
तो मैं दो चार चीज मेरा खुद का सवाल है, मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ कि खाने में खाना जब बनता है तो प्रेजेंटेशन का कितना इम्पोर्टेंस होता है? जैसे हम खाना पहले हम आंख से खाते हैं, यानी देखते हैं, फिर नाक से सूंघते हैं और फिर मुंह में डालते हैं। तो अगर दिखने में ही अच्छा नहीं है, जैसे बैंगन अच्छा दिखता है लेकिन जब बनता है तो मैं भाग जाता हूँ। तो अभी मेरे बच्चे को डिफिकल्ट होता था बैंगन खिलाने का।
करेक्ट।
आई यूज्ड टू मेक पाव भाजी में बैंगन डाल देता था मैं।
ओके, राइट। तो सो हियर आई वुड एड्रेस के आप जब भी दिस इज लाइक यू नो, हम बच्चा जब खाना आप टेबल पे रखते हो ना तो पहले आंख से खाता है, फिर वो सूंघता है। यू सेड वेरी करेक्टली दैट थिंग। तो when you're doing it, we all have good cutlery in our house, so do it in a presentable manner. That is the first thing. Second thing, you can put some garnish in that. Third thing, you wrap it in a different format. जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि मूंग दाल नहीं खाता तो मैंने पाव भाजी में डाल दिया है जी, you know, that is the option what I had given. So this way you can wrap it and give them a different cloth, like you garnish it with coriander leaves, that dal, it will look tasty. Like bangan mein, when you're making it, you put little haldi and put some spring onion ka greens. I'm sure the color will change and it looks good to that, because it's a green color, yellow color and the bangan color. So all these will be more appealing. The moment you give more colors to your food, the natural colors, the people and kids are going to adopt it more. So remember the rainbow colors and try to create food that way.
ओके। तो खाने में बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस है प्रेजेंटेशन का भी। तो हर एक पेरेंट्स जो भी खाना बनाते हैं, माँ बाप जो भी खाना बनाता है, अपने घर में शेफ हो, मेड हो, आप खुद बनाते हो, तो आपको प्रेजेंटेशन अच्छा करना है, तो वो कुछ भी मुंह में चला जाता है। करेक्ट, सही बात। ओके। और दूसरा सवाल है, एक एक्टर है माधवन करके, माधवन, उसने मुझे बताया था कि हमको इंग्लिश में बताता है कि he should drink food and eat water.
Yes.
तो उसका मतलब समझाइए आप मुझे।
Yeah, the drink food means what he is trying to say कि you need to eat more of smoothie, because this I have seen in more of the ज्यादातर ना ये एक्टर एक्ट्रेसेस जो आजकल जूस डाइट ज्यादा करते हैं, कि जितना जूस यानी जितना वो क्वांटिटी में हम लोग खाना होता है उतना ही आपको लेना है। एंड दूसरा बात उसका मतलब ये भी हो सकता है कि जूस मीन्स यू हैव टू च्यू योर फूड प्रॉपर्ली।
करेक्ट।
नो, व्हेन यू च्यू एटलीस्ट ईच मॉर्सल यू हैव टू च्यू फॉर 20 to 25 टाइम्स। गांधी जी ने भी यही बताया है। So this is also I wanted to address when you know you're telling habits of the parents. You yourself take at least 30 seconds. Keep a rule of 30 seconds for each bite. That way your chewing will be more, so that it will become a juicy and that will easily gulp down. So your digestive system doesn't have to work more. So chew properly. Even the juice when you are drinking, keep it in your mouth, one sip for at least 30 seconds. So the mouth digestive or enzymes are entering into it. They are also doing their job, and the stomach digestive organ enzymes doesn't have to work harder. That is why हम लोग को juice ज़्यादा यानी जब खाना जो है वो juice की तरह लेना चाहिए। But आपको is I'm clear for that point?
Yeah. No, absolutely.
And drink water means water भी आपको पीना है, वो भी आपको थोड़ा एक सिप पीना है। ऐसा नहीं कि दर करके आपने पी लिया, because let the mouth enzymes also enter into that sip of water, so which will help for more digestion. So chewing is very important. आजकल बहुत सब लोग भागम दौड़ी में खाना खाते हैं, 5 मिनट में लंच खत्म कर दिया, 10 मिनट में खत्म कर दिया। नहीं, at least give 20-25 minutes to your main 3 meals. So then only your brain will register that hunger, and so the next meal you will not be hungry earlier. I mean बहुत जल्दी भूख नहीं लगेगी और आप टूट नहीं पड़ोगे. So you won't be overeat also, and that way your weight is under control. So there the line says कि आपको खाना पीना है और पीना खाना है।
सही। और एक सवाल है कि हमको कितनी बार दिन में खाना चाहिए? बहुत से डॉक्टर्स अलग अलग बोलते हैं कि आपको ब्रेकफास्ट मिस नहीं करना है, लंच इतने बजे लेना है। तो आई फॉलो रूल ऑफ 717,
अच्छा, व्हाट इज?
717।
अच्छा, ओके।
तो 7 बजे आपका ब्रेकफास्ट, 1 बजे आपका लंच हो गया और 7 बजे डिनर हो गया। तो 717 मैं फॉलो करता हूँ। तो मैं सही
ओके,
हूँ गलत हूँ? या
yeah, you are right, because your body system is asking you that much only, because everybody's body system is designed differently. जब हम लोग खुद खाते हैं तो बहुत लोगों को आदत है हर 2-2 घंटे में खाना है, वो लोग थोड़ा थोड़ा खाते हैं पर हर 2-2 घंटे में खाते हैं। किसी किसी की पैटर्न है जो दिन में सिर्फ 2 बार ही खाते हैं। नाउ दिस इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग है इसका, जो हम लोग के जैनिज्म में बोलते हैं बियाशना। जस्ट ईट वंस एंड ट्वाइस लाइक दैट वे, कीप अ गैप ऑफ 16 आवर्स। तो वो भी सही है, आप जो फॉलो कर रहे हो वो भी सही है, बिकॉज योर बॉडी इज यूज टू विद दैट, एंड इफ इट इज नॉट रिएक्टिंग, इफ इट इज, अगर आपको कोई दूसरी तकलीफ नहीं देता है तो आप जो फॉलो कर रहे हो बराबर है।
और आपने फास्टिंग का जिक्र किया, तो फास्टिंग और कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, नॉट फ्रॉम रिलीजियस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बट फ्रॉम हेल्थ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू?
फ्रॉम
बिकॉज
हेल्थ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, शरीर को मेंटेनेंस चाहिए, हम लोग गाड़ी भी मेंटेनेंस के लिए देते हैं ना,
जी,
वैसे एटलीस्ट वंस अ वीक इट यू शुड डू फास्टिंग. If not once, at least once a month, you should do once or twice fasting, or like have fruits only for dinner. If you cannot follow the whole day ka fasting also, do 1 or 2 meals for only fruits and vegetables, because they digest easily, and your digestive system will get some rest compared to eating the whole food.
ओके। और एक लेडीज के लिए सवाल है कि उनका और जेंट्स में बहुत फर्क होता है बोन डेंसिटी में। उनके बोन स्ट्रांग होते हैं प्रॉब्ली बिकॉज दे आर मेल, एंड डीएनए में ऐसा होता है। बट मैंने देखा है कि ज्यादातर स्त्रियां उनके बोन्स बहुत ब्रिटल हो जाते हैं एट द एज ऑफ 45, 50, 60 में। उनको पैर की तकलीफ ज्यादा होती है एज कम्पेयर टू मेन।
Why this is happening?
हाँ,
because
तो क्या करना चाहिए? व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन दे शुड स्टार्ट अभी से? अगर 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 कोई यंग लड़की जैसे ख्याति है हमारे यहाँ पे, उसको क्या खाना चाहिए तो वो आगे जाके बुढ़ापे में उसको तकलीफ ना हो?
3 major secret ingredient I would say. एक तो मैंने तिल बताया था. 1 tablespoon of तिल you should eat every day. First of all, women में ये क्यों रहता है? Because we have menstruation where the hormonal cycles is getting changed. There we are losing lot of calcium. So some food, this 3 ingredient food I could say you should eat every day. 1 tablespoon of til, eat in the form of mukwas, sprinkle in the form of salad, or just eat til chikki. 1 tablespoon flax seeds which you need to eat, and half tablespoon or few leaves of moringa powder. That's Saragwa Singh is there. Green long ड्रमस्टिक व्हाट इज अवेलेबल, उसके पेड़ का जो पान होता है, वो पान को हम लोग या तो पाउडर अभी रेडीमेड मिलता है, बट दैट इज वेरी गुड फॉर योर बोन्स, कैल्शियम, वेरी गुड फॉर प्रोटीन, एंड वेरी गुड फॉर योर आयरन लेवल. ऑल दिस 3 थिंग्स इज पैक्ड विद दैट. एंड और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट, ये सब आप करोगे, पर अगर आप यू आर नॉट टेकिंग सनलाइट or you're not doing any physical activity, आप कितना भी कैल्शियम करेगो, it will not get deposited in your bones. So you need to do. कैल्शियम अकेला अंदर बोन में एंट्री नहीं मारेगा जब तक विटामिन डी यानी सनलाइट और any of the food product, but vegetarian food is very less where it is rich in vitamin D. So then you have to eat either non-veg. So sunlight, vitamin D and some amount of iron is required to enter calcium inside your bone. So that is an entry route. So try to eat this food. That will really help to build your strong bones. And if you're taking milk and milk product, that is also fine, because nowadays we recommend less of milk and milk product compared to before, because nowadays you don't get pure milk. That is why I'm not telling you, but this 3 seeds what I've told you, flax seeds, till seeds, that the gingerly seeds, and this drumstick powder, which are natural. So try to have that, and it is less expensive compared to any of the food.
Okay, आपने बताया कि sugar is a white poison, which is correct, and I strongly believe in that also, which I've experienced also. तो उससे अच्छा जैगरी कितना अच्छा रहता है बॉडी के लिए? जैगरी हम सब में डाल सकते हैं? और एक सवाल साथ में है कि many families, आप अगर इंडिया में देखोगे तो इंडिया इज अ कंट्री ऑफ स्पाइसेस.
Yes.
एंड वहाँ पे आप साउथ में देखो, नॉर्थ में देखो, या गुजरात में, महाराष्ट्र में, कहीं भी स्टेट में देखो, पिकल्स खाते हैं खाने के साथ में। तो
Yes.
पिकल्स का कितना इम्पोर्टेंस है और जैगरी का उसमें क्या महत्व है?
See, jaggery is like the calorie wise, there is no difference between sugar and jaggery. But yes, jaggery, sugar has zero nutrient compared to jaggery. Jaggery has a good amount of calcium, good amount of iron. If you are eating organic jaggery, if you are making chemical made, then also it is not going to help you out much. And this jaggery, certain sweets like you can make chikki out of it, or certain laddus are jaggeries added. Nowadays, in all the baking, we are adding jaggery powder. So that is a good substitute while compared to sugar. But the portion wise, you have to control. You cannot go on eating cake. If it is jaggeries added, you are going to eat the whole cake, or you're going to eat whole 2-3 laddus in a day. The portion control is important here. Jaggery is good in terms of nutrient value. Now you came for the pickles. So pickles are good if they are homemade, if they are not from the bottle which you are buying from the market, because that is loaded with preservative. But homemade pickles, every day if you are eating little, it is very good in enzymes. The enzymes which is helping to this are like a probiotic, Jaise, we are eating a curd which has a live bacteria. Same with the pickle has some kind of bacteria which is helping for our intestine. So little pickle is blessing for each meal is fine. No worries for that.
Okay, thank you. I have other people also. If there is anybody in the audience who wants to question, तो आप सवाल पूछ सकते हैं, क्योंकि मेरे सवाल तो बंद नहीं होने वाले.
Actually, on behalf of all women, because Bharat Bhai came up with the women thing, so I just had a question that women, when they are giving birth to a child, like traditionally they are made to eat like all those ghee made heavy stuff, and eventually they gain actually a lot of weight after their this birthing period is gone. So actually so much of gluten is needed. I've heard that already our body has so much of gluten, it is not required to this quantity. So what is your view on that?
Gluten means you're asking for the laddu, what they are eating it, right?
Yeah, the laddu. I mean everything they are made to eat ghee wala, everything
Yeah, because some amount is required, not like too much, but certain cushion is required because your body has been drained off. So to replenish that, you require that. And don't try to do dieting during when you are breastfeeding your baby, because then you are depriving nutrient, and from your reserve, the food is going into her system, into your baby's system. So that particular time, you eat in a balanced way. You cannot eat too much, you cannot eat too less also, but the balance is the key which you have to follow that. One laddu a day is fine. One small vati of shira is also fine, along with lots of fruits, vegetables, and different kind of millets. You can use that. And amount of ghee you don't require more, but other food, good amount of food is required more. Right? So try to eat that, and that way the balance will be there. And so you will not gain weight, and whatever weight you have gained, you can always work out on that later on or during that time also. So that will give you a steady balance.
Hemant uncle has a question. 5 white poison after 40. Milk, sugar, salt, maida. Is it valid? Please elaborate.
Sorry, can you just repeat that again?
5 white poison after 40. Milk, sugar, salt, maida. So
not after 40. It is, we call this poison from the day one. So all these is it is, nothing is natural. You think anything is natural? No. This food which has a natural salt, it is enough for our body. So whatever we are adding from top, it is for the taste we are adding, for our taste palette. Maida is also completely no, because it's refined. It has no nutrition except energy. So that is also not required. Same way with sugar, it's a zero nutrient, and it is taking more space of the healthy food when you, instead of giving them, instead of sugar, which is non-healthy food. Then what did you say? Sugar,
So-
salt,
So sugar, salt,
salt, maida,
milk.
milk. Milk, our body is made to drink milk only till, the mother's milk, that is till 1 year of age. After that, actually our body system don't require milk. Till we are drinking the calf milk. It's their part which we are consuming. So it is actually not required. So you can completely avoid. There are so many people I know, they are not drinking milk, but they are still healthy. So it is actually not required. And nowadays, due to commercialization and due to a lot of preservatives and hormonal treatment and this and that, the milk is actually termed to be a poison. So we can see there are early puberty in our children. It is mostly because of this. There are so many hormonal issues are happening in the women. It is because of this product which we are loaded with hormones and we are eating that. So it is disrupting our own hormonal system. So try to avoid that stuff.
Great. A lot of compliments have been received for you. That great tricks. Kids would be motivated, excited to follow. And we all are remembering about vegetable shopping with our mom. Then your sugar cube actually trick was highly appreciated. That is something very unique way to teach, be it children or adults. And your book is really very well researched. We find it very attractive. That's it. So we all are really grateful to you that you have come up with so much of, you have actually packaged the entire food system in front. Like
I told you my book is like an encyclopedia. When it has come out, I've got that many compliments, like the idea was only for children, but I realized it is for parents also. So
it is for everybody.
People are enjoying.
Yes. In fact, just I'm taking 1 minute more because we had been in touch with Toralben and myself for one of my another video. Actually, her holistic approach about the life, about our digestive system, our body, our thinking, everything making her really special, and I appreciate it with the bottom of my heart. And your book is, according to me, useful for everybody, for anybody, because the way you have connected our traditional approach with the current modern requirements and certain do's and don'ts are really very much unique.
Yeah.
So, Bharat Bhai, I think you can take it forward.
Yeah, thank you, Bharat Bhai, for giving me this platform and discussing all these tips and knowledge with such a good audience. Thank you so much.
I should thank you, and Soapbox appreciates your presence and your talk and your wisdom and knowledge which you have shared. And we have one of our esteemed doctors also, Dr. Mahendra Bhai Sanghvi, listening to us as well. Yeah. He's so much knowledgeable.
Thank you.
He's also there. Yeah. And I just want to conclude today's session like we always say that tan tandurast, अपना तन अगर तंदुरुस्त है और मन तंदुरुस्त है तो जीवन भी तंदुरुस्त होता है. तो आज तोरल बेन ने हमको जो तोरल मैम बोलूं या जो भी तोरल बेन बोलूं, बिकॉज आई थिंक यू रिजेंबल माय नीस, आई सेड. उनका बहुत शुक्रिया. Soapbox Talks really appreciates your presence, and we are delighted to have you, and probably we'll have some other session also. And thank you all the participants who are joining live from India and everywhere. And this Soapbox Talks will be always grateful to you, Toral.
Thank you everyone for this lovely presence and listening to me patiently. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Bharat Bhai.
It was a wonderful presentation, and I'm really happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Khyati, also for hosting it so well.
Yes, thanks to Khyati. Yeah. She is always excited.
Also, I'm grateful for my friend Sejal, who has introduced me to you. So, thanks, Sejal.
And thanks to Parag Bhai also, because Parag Bhai introduced Sejal to me.
Oh, okay.
Parag Mehta. Chain reaction.
Right.
Yeah, yes. That's what. Parag Mehta, who handles Divine Consulting, he happened and we started. I spoke to him about this idea about Soapbox. I said, let's start. And that is how it started,
Yeah.
So thanks to Parag Mehta also, and all other speakers also who have been, like Mahendra Bhai spoke about joy of creation, and Sejal also spoke about happiness. So many speakers. I mean, I can't even take names, because if I take one name, other people will feel that अरे मारू नाम नहीं ली तो मेरा नाम क्यों नहीं लिया. तो मैं सभी का धन्यवाद करता हूँ, और ये जर्नी हमारी चालू रहे, और अच्छे अच्छे स्पीकर आए, और हम सोप बॉक्स को और एक ऊंचाई पे लेके जाए. तो इसी के साथ आज